Hi Brian, good morning to all of you. Hopefully, all are fine. And now I'm standing here in front of camera, and if I talk about on important topic, and this is our village. Actually, our village, a small village, and I live in a small village, and our village all around side green environment, and I love to my village because I live in village. Okay, and you know, I am a farmer. Actually, my father also farmer, so that is why I am a farmer. Okay, so but I am a English crazy learner also. Okay, so actually English is my favorite, and when I childhood, but at the time my English not good. Actually, my at that time my favorite subject was actually social science, but after 1 year or 2 year ago, my favorite subject actually English subject, because English is a global language, English is a international language. So that is why I decided I learn English. Okay, I decided I will learn English because I don't know English. I face so many problems whenever I go to travel mode. At that time I don't know English and not communication other people. So that is why I decide I have to actually I need to learn English. So that is why I am learning English. Okay, so dear friends, actually English is a every moment is a important language. Okay, so dear friends, uh, in our environment, actually no English environment. Actually my mother language Bengali, and when I start learning English, so many problem face because our environment actually Bengali environment. All villagers actually speak in Bengali. Okay, so when I learn English at that time, actually beginning time I was video make at the time upload on my Facebook page, and some friends our video was, and some friends ask me, your English not good, but why you are learn English? Actually your English not good, but you not learn English, and you are a mad. Why so many mistake when you learn speaking English? So many mistake, but I don't care anyone. I don't care about me. Actually, I accept. Yes, I making mistakes, so many mistakes, but I am trying, and I will learn English. Actually, mistakes happen to everybody. One motivational, actually, speaker speaks this. Uh, a dialogue. Actually, uh, mistakes happen to everybody, don't worry about making mistakes. When I this speech, I I actually I can see. So that is that time my mind actually motivated. Yes, I also making mistakes. I also make mistakes, so many mistakes. So when I again start for learning English, our English day by day improvement. Okay, so and now I am uh, speak in English uh, very well, but not fluent speaker in English. And dear friends, and now any kind of situation I speak in English and describe anywhere, any kind of situation I describe in English, but not good quality. Actually, when I speak English, but now our English also mistake. But mistake, yes, I accept mistake. I make a mistake. Okay, so I don't make mistakes, but I am not learn in English. So that is why I am so many mistake, and I try. Actually, this is the way for learning English. You are not mistakes, you are not make a mistake, you don't learn in English. Okay, so thank you, bye bye, see you.